In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automatic responses in just 5 minutes. We all know how overwhelming it can be to manage emails daily, so having an automatic response system can be a real time saver. First, open your email inbox and click on Compose to start a new email draft. In the body of the email, type out the message you want to use as your automatic response. This could be anything from a simple acknowledgement to detailed instructions or information. Take your time to craft a message that is both polite and informative, ensuring it conveys everything you want your recipient to know. Next, look towards the bottom of the Compose window and click on the 3 vertical dots. This will open additional options. Hover your mouse over Templates, then over Save Draft as Template. This is where you'll be able to keep your drafted message as a reusable template. Go ahead and click on Save as New Template. A dialog box will appear prompting you to name your template. Choose a name that is both descriptive and easy to remember so you can find it quickly in the future. Once you've typed in the template name, click Save. You've now created an email template. Now, to set this as your automatic response, we need to take a few more steps in your email account. Find the search field at the top and type a word or phrase that will help you trigger the automatic response. For instance, if you want the response to send every time you receive an email containing the phrase send email, you would type in send email in the search bar. After entering your trigger phrase, click on the advanced filter icon, usually represented by a small funnel or similar symbol. This will lead you to a new dialog box where you can create a filter. Click on Create Filter, then select Send Template under Actions. You'll then see an option labeled Choose Template. Click on it to select the template you just created. Finally, click on Create Filter. Once more, voila! Your automatic response system is now set up. Whenever an email matching your specified criteria lands in your inbox, this template will automatically send out. Not only is this feature incredibly useful in managing your communications, but it also ensures that your important contacts always receive timely replies even when you're unavailable. So, there you have it. You've just learned how to create and configure automatic responses in just a few minutes, making your email management tasks more streamlined and efficient. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped you take control of your inbox. Happy emailing!